we will start with classification.
Okay.
Classification and characteristics. Characteristics. So, if you see in overall scenario in your company, there will be some equipments. Okay, so basically pumps or diesel generator. Okay, so they having different ratings. So we will see how in SAP we can update or we can maintain that setting, because for DG set there will be different kilowatts are there. Okay, for pump different flow ratings are there. For motor different RPM is there, and different companies. If you have today time, we can continue this. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will continue class and characteristics, because it show we need to be continue for it, means otherwise you will not understand. Just a moment. Okay, so let's start. I will do one thing. I will prepare one chart for this. Okay, so okay, it's up to, okay, we will take one example of diesel generator. Okay, so for class of diesel generator, what will be the classification of diesel generator? Have you any idea?
Kilowatt rating is there, KVA.
Great. So classification of DG set. So there will be different classes and different characteristics. So our DG will be class like 250 kVA, then 365 kVA. Again, it's very general, it's not a mandatory, so no need to bother that we have this rating is not available with DG set like this. It's for training purpose only. Then 1000 kVA. Okay. Again, this having different manufacturers. Okay. So I will. Okay, so who will manufacture the DG set?
Avarica.
And
Cummins.
okay. Cummins, okay. Cummins, Kirloskar.
Jackson, Kirloskar.
There will be Leyland, Caterpillar.
Jackson.
Okay, EP, Electron-Matics also manufacturing. Okay, so these are the manufacturer of the DG set. Okay, so basically this manufacturer will create the DG set, and we need to assign that parameter to our DG set, which is our equipment. So this will be class, and this is one of the example, manufacturer's name example. So what is meant by characteristics? Characteristics will be like a KVA, then current,
fuel type,
voltage, speed, power factor, or serial number also. Serial number, manufacturer, who is manufacturer or make, what is frame size, So these are the characteristics. This is the class, and inside that characteristics, make and manufacturer, you will find the manufacturer's name. So for classification, we are using the T code CL02. You need to memorize that. And for characteristics, T code is CT04. Okay. You need to memorize that. Classification CL02. So once we start, you will understand how we can update the class and characteristics. But you understand, characteristics will be KVA, current, voltage, speed, power factor, manufacturer, frame size. That are the characteristics of equipment. And class will be like inside that KVA, what are the classes available? So first characteristics, inside that we will assign classes, right? So let's start with configuration. So initially I will show you, basically again, this is not the consultant activity. Super user or end user will perform that activity, but consultant should aware how it's work, because anytime the business will ask that we are facing the issue, then we need to understand what the wrong thing has been done by super user or end user, right? So we need to go logistic, plant maintenance, management technical object, environment. Here you will find classes, master data, characteristic, classes. So once you click on characteristics, you can create the new characteristics. So I will create kilowatt, ampere, KVA. Okay. So we'll create characteristics. So here you will find basic data, description, value, additional data, and restriction. So this will be description simple. Kilowatt, ampere. So class group. There are different class groups are available. I will not update right now. Again, this is important. End user will create the characteristic, but he will not update the status as a release. Then we cannot use it. So they will ask why it's not, we can use it. Then you need to check the status. This is locked or in preparation. So it's not, they can use. So you need to mention this. This is free text authorization group. I will keep as 100. Again, data type. So data type is a normally characteristics will be in numeric format, like 250, 300, 400, 220 kilowatt, like this. So numeric format. So what are the number of characteristics? It will be 4. Again, yeah, it will be depend. If we want to give the decimal places, okay, unit of measure. So what will be the unit of measure for KVA?
Kilo into KA.
Yeah, kilowatt hour. Normally it will be measured with kilowatt hours. So kWh will be unit of measure. If it's there, then it's okay. Otherwise, we can use kilowatt. Kilowatt. Okay. So that data needs to be updated. Again, here is the value assignment: single value, multiple value, inter value, negative value, restricted, entry required. So if for that KVA only single value, then we cannot give the multiple values for it. So again, it's depend upon the business needs. So I will go to description. I will keep the single value. So language in English and description. Okay. So here we can update some characteristics values. Okay. So it's again depend how we can update. Then system will take from that only. Okay. We will see. Okay. Additional data. We will see to update this additional data in some other while updating some other values, and in restriction. Restriction for how much class type we can restrict this. So we need to restrict this for only equipment class, because KVA will be used for only equipment, not for functional location or any material class. So we can restrict. But again, if you want to update for this functional location, then you can select 00. So currently I will save this. So we have created characteristic as KVA. Okay. Okay. We will create some more value characteristics. Okay. Go back. Let's see. Current.
Current.
Here I will create. Okay. Again, description will be current in ampere. Status should be release. Again, data format is numeric. 1 unit of measure. I will keep ampere. Okay. Is not available. Let's see which unit of measure is available. Yeah, is there ampere. Enter. Okay. So for rest of the fields, it's okay. I will not update anything. So currently ampere. Okay. Okay. So I want to check the voltage is available or not. Let's see. Okay, characteristic voltage already exists. Let's see display. Voltage, elevator, format order, release, format everything. So I will go to change mode. Let's see some values are updated or not. Okay. So 110 and 220, that value updated. We will modify it and we will update some more voltage, because in big industry there will be 440, 415 voltage, as well as if you see some solenoid fault will work on 12 volt or 24 volt.
24 volt.
Yeah, so we will update here.
AC/DC.
Yes. So if you see, PM consultant should have knowledge also for technical. So basically, industry are preferring with a consultant having domain knowledge and understanding. So he can quickly support for business if any issue occurs. So that is the benefits of a functional. So your functional domain knowledge will not go in vain. It will be definitely useful to you. I think.